Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to see about while recording your screen, if you find any issue in audio, here are the few steps to fix the problem. While using screen recorder, if video only alone is recorded and audio is not performing its duty, here are the few steps to fix that issue. Just go to the control panel in your PC or laptop. Here you find hardware and sound. Go to that. In sound, you can see the adjust system volume. Click that and you can see the levels of every application and device here. You can increase the volume. And the second step is you can find the change system sound option. Go to that. Here, go to the playback and you can find the speakers and headphones. Right click this and you can run the test if audio is working in your laptop or not. Just click the test option. You can hear the sound. If the sound comes, there is no issue in your laptop. You can configure speaker and choose the stereo and test. Give the next and you can text this also. The second one is go to the recording and under the microphone right click and go to the configure speech recognition. Here you can see start speech recognition and set up microphone. We'll see one by one. You just click start speech recognition. Give next. If you're using headset microphone, you can choose this. I'm using desktop microphone, so I'm gonna select this. This is the way to set up your microphone. If your microphone is not working, you can just follow the steps. Give next. You have to read this. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers to typing and particularly prefers to pen and paper. After reading this, you can see the next button here. You just give the next. Yeah, the microphone is ready to use with the computer. Click next to continue. If you want, you can review this document also. It's not mandatory. Just cancel this. And that's it. If you have completed this, you can recheck your screen recorder or whatever you're recording. It will work. And check in your communications tab and select reduce the volume of other sounds by 80%. Click OK. Then go and check and record your video on screen recorder, and if any issue persists, just comment below in the video session. Thank you.